Okay, this is November 2nd, Wednesday, November 2nd, I guess. I don't have my watch. But here is stuff that we were cleaning up. That's one. ¿Sabe qué? Este es noviembre 2nd para ustedes en Colombia. Esto fue lo que estábamos limpiando, que vino de atrás. Esto es frente de la casa de nosotros. Vete a caminar ahí. Okay, here we go. Mostly everything except that big one came off the tree. Todo menos este que es grande, que era un árbol que Clemen lo cortó. Ahora estamos a este lado. Así es la primera. So that was the first pile. Here's the second pile. Alright, so you can see more or less. Ok, ahora vete a caminar para el otro. I see, too close. That's the second pile. That's Glenn's house. This is Glenn's house. Hey, look at that. Hey, there's a dead skeleton there. What else could I see here? Ah, another. Alright, I don't want to do too many minutes. But that's our house there. Esta es la casa de nosotros. Con los dos carros. Este es este lado, pero ya ves cuánto se sacó, ¿ok? O cuánto se rompió de los árboles. I'm just saying in Spanish for the people in Colombia. You can see how many tree limbs came down on this early winter storm. And here's a big one. Mostly everything is laying, as you can see, flat, no? Over here. And this is, casi todo está plano acá, ¿no? Y es alto, ahí está Amanda. Es casi, basta la boca de Amanda, la altura. Bueno, hay hojas abajo también. Así esta es número 3, ¿no? So this is pile number 3, and this is so you get an idea. And this is just 2 houses. Alright, acá. Glenn's house and my house, and our house, I should say, no? Okay, yeah, más o menos. Amanda likes the force. She thinks she's 16. Amanda, and now this side is from the people in this yellow house. Okay? And I think they still have a lot more to clean up back there. Those huge branches that stayed in the back, I think they're still back there. Came off. Let me see if I can get it now. Again. Alright? Huge branches that broke off. And there's another one. Let me just go back. And there should be 2, yeah. 2 huge branches. There you go. That's what broke, I think, Glenn's fence. And we got we still don't have any power, so we're on the. Oh yeah, I put it the other way around. I forgot to lock it up during the night. Okay, and that's it.